Vulcanizing and Lube Bay shop we did for clients. I went there, we did the floor markings because he ordered for 4,000 kg scissor lifter. So we dig the floor, made sure everything was intact. Uniforms that he ordered for the workers, and loading of equipment and tools to his site as the truck loaded everything, and we were preparing to deliver the goods or machines to him. When we arrived, we have to offload all the equipment and then make sure we put them inside the pit. So we align them very well so that they match each other and also balanced inside the pit. So this was the installation of the scissor lift and the pipes for air and other stuff. And through the installation, there were a lot ongoing. Engineers were doing a lot to make sure everything was successful. The floor pins were fixed to make sure the stability of the machines were intact. And this is a mid-rising small scissor lifter, basically used for changing tires, brickworks, shocks, and basic mechanic work. It goes a height of 1 meter and a capacity of 3.5 tons or 3,500 kg. And this is the main scissor lift, 4,000 kg or 4-ton capacity scissor lifter. And it has the platform and a jack, a middle jack inside it. So you can use the whole platform as well as the middle jack. The middle jack also works just like a small scissor lift or mid-rising. You can use it for, and this is actually the jack for the scissor. You can use it for changing tires, working on brakes, working on shocks, and basic mechanic work. You suspend the car for you to remove tires or do basic works on the car. So that is the scissor lift. It really transforms the workshops, makes it look very nice, and clients like to see this machine. This is tire changer and tire balancer. He also bought a toolbox set with 421 pieces. So get in touch, let's set up your shop.